Hi, today we will pronounce this word, carbuncles. In American English it pronounced carbuncles. Carbuncles.
In British English, it pronounces carbuncles. Carbuncles.
In Hindi English, it pronounced carbuncles. Carbuncles.
A carbuncle is a cluster of boils, painful, pus-filled bumps, that form a connected area of infection under the skin. A boil is a painful, pus-filled bump that forms under your skin when bacteria infect and inflame one or more of your hair follicles.
Did you get it? Let me know in the comment. Carbuncles. We create more videos for how to exactly pronounce medical terms. If you are interested, don't forget to subscribe our Anatomy Note YouTube channel. Have a nice day.